What's going on YouTube? My name's Peter Ferguson. I'm going to be starting this channel for my 2007 CBR1000RR. I just bought it a few months ago. It's got 12,000 miles on it. It had 12,000 miles on it when I bought it. I've put about 500 on it so far this year. Going to be doing some reviews, some mods, what I like, what I don't like about it, which is probably going to be few and far between. The first video to come up after this is going to be a tire review. I already got the new tires on, as you can see. So that'll be coming up after this. Going to be prepping it for some track days, a little weekend warrior action. Like I said, it's completely stock right now, minus the pretty sweet paint job that came with it. Other than that, some fresh content, some riding videos, some gear reviews, a lot of mods, like I said, coming up. I have an exhaust on the way, so stay tuned for that video. The Tosh T-Slash exhaust is the one I went with, if you guys are interested in that. I'm not going to do a full exhaust yet. I don't really see the need to, because I'm not going to be tuning it for probably another few months once I do a few other things to it. Suspension tuning is the next major, I guess, upgrade. I don't know if you call it an upgrade. Modification? Not really sure what you want to call it, but we're going to be doing that. Like I said, just getting ready for track days, fun bike, weekend warrior. Let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know what you want to hear. And I'll have some fresh content for you guys.